Good evening. Today we have an update with regards to a company called Brand Concepts Limited. This is the brand logo of the company. I believe the company is into luggage and baggage products. Meant for travelers, both local and international. So during yesterday's session, a fashion brand. During Thursday's session, a leading platform specializing in licensed fashion and lifestyle products surged 16% on the Bombay Stock Exchange after signing a long-term distribution contract with Sportlux, to bring the global fashion powerhouse brand to the Indian market. As per the recent filings with the stock exchanges, has entered into a distribution contract with Sportlux General Trading FZCO, a distinguished global distributor of luxury brands. This strategic agreement grants Brand Concepts the rights to launch and operate the iconic fashion and lifestyle brand Off-White in India. Through this exclusive agreement, Brand Concepts will handle the distribution and retail of a wide range of Off-White products in the country. The offerings will span across categories such as ready-to-wear apparel for men, women, boys, girls, along with footwear, bags, wallets, belts, swimwear, and other fashion accessories. The collaboration marks a significant expansion for Brand Concepts as it ventures into the high-end fashion and luxury space. The first Off-White collection is expected to launch by Q4 FY26 and will be available through exclusive brand outlets, modern retail outlets, select Lux e-commerce platforms, and the brand's direct-to-consumer website. Brand Concepts Limited is a leading platform specializing in licensed fashion and lifestyle products, particularly focusing on travel gear, bags, accessories. It has a diverse portfolio enriched by marquee brands such as Tommy Highfire, United Colors of Benetton, Aeropostale. The company also has its own labels, Sugar Rush and The Vertical, that serve a diverse clientele. So, important disclaimer before we look at some other information of the company in terms of financials. This article come information extracted from resources on the internet. All investment opinions and recommendations mentioned are solely of the broking houses, rating agency, and experts. These views do not reflect any personal opinion or advice. Stock market investments carry inherent risk of financial loss. Investors must exercise their own judgment and conduct proper due diligence. The author bears no responsibility for any losses resulting from decisions based on this article. It is strongly recommended you consult a financial advisor, broker before making any investment decisions. So, we'll look at some other information. We've gone through these are the different products that the company has. This is the brand logo as we discussed. You can see the current price is down about 2.7% today. Over the last 5 days, 1.5% down. So whatever value add that it had done yesterday, it seems like people have cashed in and booked in profits. So the price has what you called rebounded again uh, from the highs of yesterday. 2% down in the last 1 month. 26% negative return in the last 6 months, and 48% negative return in the last 1 year. So it's a huge dump or huge loss from a high of about 362 is down to about 342 in 1 year. So it's something of a big correction that we've seen here. We'll look at some information in terms of the brand again specializes in manufacturing backpacks and fashion accessories for the Indian and international markets. 388 crore market cap, 345 current price, high of 739, price to earnings ratio of 59, which is very high. Book value 63, which means the company is trading around 5.5 times its book value. Again, that is pretty high. No dividend paid. Return on capital employed is 12%. Return on equity is 10%. Face value of 10 rupees. Company has delivered good profit growth of 51% CAGR over the last 5 years. Company has median sales growth of 20% in the last 10 years. Company is reporting profits, no dividend paid out, low interest coverage ratio. Debtor days have increased from 80 to 97. Promoter holding has decreased by 11% in the last 3 years. Peers: Trent, Vedanta Fashions, Aditya Birla Fashion, Arvind Fashions, V2 Retail, Go Fashion, Aditya Vision Brand Concepts. Then sales, you can see erratic, up and down from 70 crores to 67, from 67 to 66, from 1.78 crore net profit. The profit is reduced to 1.31 crores. Then sales between the last 2 years has grown about 110 crores, which is a good positive sign. In the last 1 year, just 22 crores of revenue growth, which is about 7.5% revenue growth only. Uh, on, you can say about 9% revenue growth in the last 1 year. Then net profit has dipped from 11 crores to 7 crores, which is almost 35% dip in the net profit. So you can see here net profit is minus 40%. Sales grown by 9%. That's what I calculated. Stock price is a minus 46%, 47% negative return in the last 1 year, and return on the equity, which was stable at 21% in 3 years, is down to 10%. Then, from a balance sheet point of view, reserves have increased slightly, which is good. Borrowings have doubled, which is a big cause of concern and worry. Higher borrowings would lead to higher interest costs, and that would ultimately impact your net profit and the bottom line, which already reflects in the current situation of the company. From the net profit has tanked in the last 1 year, so that is a big negative for the company. Then you can see debtor days almost, you can see almost 50%, 45% growth in the debtor days. Inventory days have increased by about 15%. Days payable also increased by about 10%, 9%. Working capital days increased by about 35%. Return on capital employed in the last 2 years have dipped from 32 to 12%. Promoter holding is 48%. Sorry, public holding is 50%, which is very high, which ultimately would result in high volumes of stock volatility and high volumes in terms of price as well, volatility in terms of price. So friends, thank you for watching the video. Sorry. Please share this with your friends, family and associates so that they could benefit from this information. Please also share your valuable feedback in terms to improve the content and presentation of the video. Thank you for watching. We'll connect with another video soon tomorrow. Thank you.